Oh, okay. We are at Mada petrol station here. You see the total. We have installed our machines here for the past 3 years or so. As you can see here, there's a two post. Uh-huh. It's 500 kgs. This one I think is the best. We also have another two post here and four post and the alignment machine. So any of our clients, if you feel like you need a referral or confirmation our machines are good, you can visit Mada station. Yeah, these are the machines here.